With Ur, we dive into the deeper esoteric meanings of the runes. We started to see glimpses of it when we looked at Fa as the first rune. But Fa is the energy, the potential. It's not the realization of anything. When Ur, we spoke about it coming from the wild ox, resilience, strength, etc. Then we see in Havamal it extending into the concepts of healing and the ability to create wholeness, re-establish balance, etc. But then when we look at the root word Ur, the origin, the Ur starting point, we come to the concept of Ur being the cause of causes. This is almost like the element, the first point of things starting to manifest, just before they become things. You need to have the energy of Fa, but then you need Ur to sort of bring a crystallization to that energy to be able to become the pattern according to which things will manifest. Therefore, we look at Ur as the cause of causes. When we look at healing, we want to look at what is the cause of illness, of our imbalance, of our lack of wholeness. And by focusing on Ur, we're coming back time and time again of saying, where is the instability in me? Where are the things that are not strong? Where are the things that are not powerful? And we try to identify those things, because that is the origin where we start our journey of healing, of becoming whole again, of finding our own inner strength from which we prosper as human beings. So today we're just covering Ur as the cause of causes, the point of origin. Imagine yourself the creation story of the Norse, where the fire and ice flow from into space, and they started to, that's the first point of creation, where those two forces of heat and ice and cold met. That's what we find when Fa and Ur comes together. Two forces binding together to be the start of creation. Therefore, Fa is potential, but Ur is the possibility of something happening. Ur creates the opportunities, and that is what we are connecting with when we talk about Ur, the origin. Next session we will talk a little bit about Ur from a different perspective, and that is a perspective where we look at it as self-knowledge, and why Ur is important for us from a mystical point of view when we work with it. But for now, understand Ur, health, let me rather say it, Ur as resilience, survival, Ur as healing, Ur as the cause of causes. We go deeper and deeper and deeper into the meaning of Ur.